Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got it's Happy Mail, but it's a win. I entered not really a contest, but I guess it was a contest. There is a lady on here who has a new YouTube channel, and I will put a link to her channel in my description box, and her name is Bessie Barkley, and that is the name of her YouTube channel. And she is just starting out on her YouTube adventure, and she's got over 50 subscribers now, but I won her 50 subscriber giveaway, which she had a few items, and she wanted you to pick a pin out of, I think she had like 4 or 5 pins, and then some cover minders, and I chose a set of cover minders and a pin, and then the rest of it was just some stuff that she was throwing in. So I wanted to show y'all. I have not opened this, but I wanted to show y'all the stickers because I thought they were cute. But it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business. Love it, snap it, and share, or snap it. Okay, love it, snap it, and share it." And then it says pretty things inside, and then Happy Mail. So I really don't want to, let's see, I really don't want to mess up that sticker. Now, I know that she was going to put a few items in here, but I don't know what. So let's see what all she stuck in here. So there's my winnings. Okay. Alright, so that's all that's in the bag. Alright, so what I won was this little tray with a little stopper and a squishy. And, well, let's see. Okay, she's got a note. So this is the cover minders, the 2 cover minders that I chose. She had several, but I chose these 2 because I thought they were cute and unique. So they have, I hope y'all can see this because I'm just using, it's kind of cloudy here, but I've got a window up here that I've got open. But it's got the 2 good magnets on the back. But these are resin. It feels like resin. But this is a flower and then a heart. And that's got an indention in it. Could actually be used to put your bad drills in if you wanted to. So there's those. Okay. And then she had one of these little sticky mats that she was putting in there. And this is for, like, if you want to put this down on your canvas, because it's sticky on both sides, and these are reusable. All you got to do is wet it and then stick it right back down, and you can reuse these. And you can cut these up also and use these for, you can use these things for all kinds of stuff. I've actually got a couple of these that I'm using on this table, because this is actually the table I use for my miniatures that I'm using on the edges of this table. And I've got my little shelves on that I've got stuff in so that my shelves, when I go to open it, they don't slide. So she has got something in here. Let me open this and see what it says. Oh, she's got some stickers in here too. All right, it just says, Scarlett, I hope you like your goodies. Let me know how you like them. Congratulations. Okay, and then she's got a tutorial for her pop dots on her channel. Okay. But look at these stickers. Isn't that pretty? And then she's got this one. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Isn't that cute? I like those. Thank you, Bessie. I like those. Those are pretty. All right, let's look in her little goodie bag before we get to the rest of this. Yeah, I'm sorry about my throat. Okay, she's got a file in here and some candy. Yummy. Okay. So there's those. Alright, so she asked me which pen I wanted, and I did choose this one because I thought it was pretty. Well, I'm just tearing this little bag all to pieces. But is that not pretty? Hold on just a second. Sorry about that. Somebody was calling the house phone. But isn't that pretty? It's like a beach, and it's got all the little sea turtles on it. But I just thought this was just the cutest pen. Is that not pretty? See all the turtles? And then there's the water. And they're going into the water. And it is light. And it is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And she's got a thin 4-placer on there and the single placer. That is just gorgeous. Love it. And I was really excited about this. These are her pop darts. Pop dots. And she has got butterfly burps. And then snickerdoodle. So, I am very, very, very excited about these, y'all. Alright, I have got, oh my god, these smell so good. So, I'm going to have to check out her video on her channel and see how to use these. If it's just like glue dots, I might be okay. Oh my god, they smell wonderful. Because I use glue dots all the time. That is like my go-to, are glue dots. Okay, I gotta smell the other ones, y'all. I must. Can't hardly do nothing with my thumb. I was cutting an onion the other night and sliced my thumb. So I had to put the Band-Aid on because I didn't want y'all to be like, ew. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that smells so good. And they're good and sticky too. Yep, I'm going to have to go check out her video and see how to use these. I think she's making these and she sells these, and I'm going to have to check and see. Like I said, she's a new YouTuber. Fairly new, I think. Well, I'll put it this way. I just come across her channel just this month. Well, this is August. I just come across her channel probably 3 weeks ago, and I have been watching her videos. And like I said, I'll leave a link to her channel. But I've not seen all of her videos, so I'm not sure if she has an Etsy shop or not. But I think she makes these and sells them. So I'm going to have to find out. And if she does, I'll put her Etsy link in my description box also. So, y'all, please go check her out. And subscribe to her channel, because she is trying to get up to 100 subscribers if she hasn't already. Because I don't know when I'll get this video posted. I just received her mail, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to post the video, because I've got other stuff going on. But yeah, Bessie, thank you so much. This is awesome. I'm so excited about these, y'all. God, I am so excited. I'm fixing to go. As soon as I get off of this video, I am going to go to her channel and find the tutorial and check this out and try these. And like I said, if she does have an Etsy shop, I will take and post it in my description box so that y'all can go check out her shop if she has one. So, thank you so much, Bessie. And y'all go subscribe to her channel. Let's get her some subscribers and get her up to whatever. I mean, let's get her some subscribers. So, yeah, y'all. Thanks for watching. Do all the YouTubey things. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.